In this video, I will be explaining how to define the boundary conditions or the constraints. Pick on analysis, pick on constraints. I want to constrain the nodes, pick on the nodes and drag a window to cover the nodes at this end. Once these nodes are selected, specify the desired boundary condition. The first boundary condition defines the translation in x direction, second defines translation in y direction, and third defines translation in z direction. Similarly, rotation x, rotation y and rotation z. Before defining a constraint, this body is a rigid body. Once the constraints are defined on this body will be a constrained body. Right now, I will be constraining all the degrees of freedom. DOF stands for degrees of freedom. Pick on create. You can find a symbol here, triangular symbol, which means the node is taken as a constraint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defines the constraints or the degrees of freedom which are constrained at this particular node. As all the degrees of freedom are constrained, you can find for all these nodes the number starting from 1 to 6. The size of this triangle can be controlled from the size here. Pick on return.